Submitting an assignment in an ILS course. Here's an example of how you might upload materials into an assignment. I'm going to click Open the Assignment, and you know that this is an example here of an embedded link that I could click. But let's look at when you're ready to actually submit what you've done. You have a little bit of information about when the assignment was due, but you would then click the Add Submission button. Now, depending on how the instructor has set things up, you may have two ways that you could submit information, and you won't always see both of these. One of them might be that you could type in online text, and then you would type your information, or you might copy and paste it in from a word processing document, but you also might want to submit a file. Now, the way that you can do this, and this is one of several ways, you could click the Add File icon, which then brings you to a scenario where you can, quote, pick a file, and you have several ways you can pick files, but one of them would be to upload a file, and that is the default. In that case, you would browse, which brings you now to your own computer, and you would select what you want to upload, and I'm just making an arbitrary choice. I'm going to open it, and I have the ability to type over a new name. And you see my name there because that's how I signed in as the test student, and then I would upload the file. You see that you have, in this case, the two different types of file submissions. Be sure to save your changes or your assignment won't get updated. And now it's been in, and this defaults to the text used by Moodle, and it says it's ready for grading, but now the instructor can go in and give you some information and feedback. You also can return and edit that submission. Depending upon how the assignment was set up by the instructor, you may have several ways that you can submit assignments.